Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Football is where we start as coming off a defeat to the United States in their last encounter. The Reggae Boyz will be looking for a win in their friendly international against Serbia, which is set for Monday morning at 2 a.m. Jamaica time. That's Monday 2 a.m. Jamaica time. But with the CONCACAF Gold Cup on the horizon, football coach and analyst Andrew Price believes this is a massive game for the team. With this being only the second game for a number of players in the Reggae Boyz squad, football coach and analyst Andrew Price believes the clock is ticking on Theodore Whitmore to find his best group of players for the CONCACAF Gold Cup next month and the World Cup qualifiers in September. The likes of Liam Moore, Amari Bell, Wesley Harding and Curtis Tilt, who were all called up for the game against the United States, are looking to cement a place in the team going forward. But Price feels that while some new players had good outings against the United States and before that Saudi Arabia, fitting them together is important before the Gold Cup.
Well, this game against Serbia is a very important game. It's about getting the right chemistry and understanding between the players. As you know, after the prolonged contractual dispute between the players and the Jamaica Football Federation, a lot of players have made themselves available. So it's about gelling this team together to see if we can find the right combination as we go into the Gold Cup and prepare for the World Cup qualifiers in September.
Price says having allowed 4 goals against the United States in March, the defense remains a problem, but this could result in at least 2 changes at the back.
The goalkeeper, Dylan Barnes, has been looking very good in training and he should get the nod. Our central defense should be made up of Liam Moore and the returning Damian Lowe. Adrian Mariappa brings a wealth of experience at right back, and between O'Neill Fisher and Omari Bell, we'll see who plays at left back.
Price also does not see Whitmore making a number of changes to the team during the game.
Should be a number of changes available, but I believe that it's about getting the right chemistry and the right unity on the pitch. And Coach Whitmore will be looking at the team assiduously to ensure that he's able to make a proper assessment as we go into the Gold Cup and prepare for the World Cup qualifiers in September.
Following Monday's match, the Reggae Boyz will face Japan's Olympic team on June 12 in their final fixture on the trip.